up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Sun Goes Down by Lil Nas X. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 7. The chords you'll need are D, X, open, open, 2, 3, 2. B minor is X, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Then you have F sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so if you can hit these top strings with the base of your finger, that's good, but if not, you can just play like a power chord on 2, 4, 4. So F sharp minor, and then to G. 3, 2, open, open, open. And then G. 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. So the first chord you're going to play is D, and then you're going to drop your middle finger off of the 2nd fret of the E string. Just like that. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it only plays once though, so like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then switch to B minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then F sharp. 1, 2, 3, G. This once again, that's D. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then B minor. Gotta find it here. B minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and you're just taking your middle finger off and on there. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then F sharp 3 times, and then G.